If you've been caught in the cycle of comparing the Leica M11, Leica Q3, and Leica SL3 for months, endlessly watching reviews and reading opinions, you're not alone. That loop of indecision feels productive, but slowly drains your creative energy. You start believing that the perfect choice is always one more comparison away, yet every new detail only adds to the confusion. The truth is, there's one Leica that captures what this brand was always meant to represent: a return to simplicity, focus, and the joy of seeing the world through a single lens. Leica has always stood for more than specs or megapixels. It's a philosophy. Owning an M means you appreciate tradition, manual focus, and that tactile, deliberate rhythm. An SL signals professional power and flexibility, the kind that appeals to hybrid creators. But somewhere in this constant chase for the best, we forget what made Leica special in the first place. It was never about keeping up with tech. It was about slowing down enough to truly see. The endless comparison between models becomes a trap, one that replaces creativity with anxiety. Months go by, and while you know every technical difference, your shutter count barely changes. The essence of Leica was built on reduction: one camera, one lens, and total commitment to the craft. The pioneers who defined Leica's legacy weren't upgrading every year or debating resolutions. They were mastering a tool so deeply that it became invisible. That minimalist philosophy faded for a while under the weight of upgrade culture. But one modern Leica revives that spirit completely, and it's the one that's often overlooked because of a single misunderstood word: fixed. Yes, the Q3 has a fixed 28mm lens. For many photographers, that word instantly feels like a limitation, but in truth, it's liberation. Inside this compact frame lives a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor with triple-resolution technology, giving you the choice to shoot at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels. At full resolution, you can crop your images without losing detail, effectively turning one focal length into many. You're no longer limited. You're freed from constantly switching lenses or second-guessing your setup. This is the kind of creative simplicity that builds consistency and confidence. The lens is a 28mm f/1.7 Summilux ASBH with optical image stabilization, a perfect blend of sharpness, light, and mood. It's wide enough to tell a story within its environment, yet fast enough to isolate your subject beautifully. In low light, it performs effortlessly, giving you the confidence to shoot in difficult conditions without hesitation. That freedom is what changes how you approach photography. Once your gear stops demanding attention, you can finally focus on the world in front of you. Autofocus is fast and intelligent, using hybrid phase and contrast detection with reliable tracking for eyes, faces, bodies, and even animals. It's fast enough to capture action, yet intuitive enough to stay out of your way. The Q3 doesn't force a pace on you, it flows with you. On the video side, it's just as capable. 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2, and ProRes HQ at up to 120 frames per second in Full HD. Add a 5.76 million OLED viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen, and you get a camera that's modern yet refreshingly simple. At around $6,735, it's ready to go from day one. No extra lenses, no accessory chase, just pure image making. But the real transformation happens over time. Spend a few months shooting with the Q3, and you'll notice a shift. In the beginning, you might focus on what you can't do: no zoom, no lens swapping, but gradually that noise fades. The 28mm view becomes natural, almost instinctive. You start composing faster, anticipating moments more confidently. The consistency sharpens your eye, and the high-resolution sensor gives you the flexibility to reframe when needed. Soon, hesitation is replaced by rhythm. The Q3 teaches you to see in a single visual language until the camera becomes an extension of your vision. For street photography, it's discreet yet powerful. That 28mm Summilux pulls in light beautifully, while stabilization ensures handheld shots stay sharp even in dim environments. The autofocus locks on effortlessly, letting you focus entirely on the story unfolding before you. For travel, its simplicity is transformative. One camera, one small bag, and files detailed enough to crop freely. Suddenly, you're not managing equipment but actually experiencing the places you photograph. That mental clarity changes everything. It's the difference between documenting a trip and truly capturing it. Even in portrait work, the Q3 brings something special. Shooting close with 28mm lets you build context around your subject, showing not just the person, but their world. At f/1.7, you can still create depth and separation when needed. The result feels intimate yet authentic, subjects grounded in their surroundings instead of isolated from them. Of course, the other Leicas still have their place. The M11 remains sacred for purists who love manual focus and the deliberate pace of a rangefinder. That experience can't be replicated. It's tactile, soulful, and deeply personal. The SL3, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for hybrid creators who demand cutting-edge video and rapid performance. With 24 megapixels, multi-shot mode up to 96 megapixels, 30 frames per second bursts, and 6K open-gate video, it's perfect for professionals balancing both worlds. At around $5,665 before lenses, it delivers immense capability for those who need it. But for photographers whose hearts belong to still imagery, for those who value focus, flow, and connection more than endless options, the Q3 stands alone. The SL3 adds range. The Q3 removes distraction. They serve different artists entirely. And that quiet voice whispering that something better is always one upgrade away. The Q3 silences it. Because this camera isn't about having the most, it's about having enough. One body, one Summilux lens, 60 megapixels, and a philosophy that aligns perfectly with why you started taking pictures in the first place. Leica has never really been about what the camera can do, it's about what you can do with it. The Q3 brings that timeless idea into the present. It's not about compromise, it's about clarity. It strips away the noise, sharpens your instincts, and rekindles your love for photography. For most creators, it's truly the only Leica they'll ever need. Once you embrace it, you'll stop comparing and start creating the way Leica always intended.